I don't really believe in calling something a weakness or a strength. It's not that simple. Everything depends on where and how it shows up. See, we all have natural traits. Some might call them flaws, some might call them talents, but really they're just parts of who we are. And depending on the situation, those traits can either help us or hold us back. Let me explain. I've always been a mess when it comes to staying organized. Chronically messy. It frustrated me for years. So whenever someone asked what I struggle with, I'd say, definitely organization. That was my go-to weakness. One time, early in my career, I went to a networking event, met someone who was super excited to work with me. They gave me their business card. If I were more organized, I'd have followed up right away, but I didn't. I lost the card in my bag. 2 weeks later, I found it at the bottom of a pile. I emailed him, feeling embarrassed. Hey, not sure if you remember me. We met a while ago. You know what he said? He thought I must be really busy, that I was in such demand it took me 2 weeks to respond. That weakness suddenly looked like strength. So now when people ask if something is a strength or weakness, I say, it depends. Same trait, different situation, different result. That's why I try to stack the deck in my favor. What does that mean? I make choices that let my traits shine. I avoid situations where they'll slow me down. Like, if I'm bad at numbers, I won't take a job that needs accounting. That's not weakness. That's smart. Also, I love working with people. I feel more alive in a team. When I work alone, it's draining. So whenever I can, I team up because that's where I do my best work. Someone else might prefer working solo, and that's great for them. But I know myself, and that's the secret. It's not about being perfect. It's about knowing where you belong.